In today's distribution or manufacturing facility, it's all about boosting your supply chain productivity and maintaining a competitive edge. That's why we at Honeywell are proud to introduce the newest addition to the Honeywell Mobility Edge platform, the CK65 Mobile Computer. With Honeywell's Mobility Edge, you'll be positioned to drive business faster, better, more cost-effectively, and with less risk. In distribution centers, mobile computers need to last all day without a battery change and for years without downtime. And what about battery life? The CK65 functions without a battery swap for up to 28 hours. That's 3 full work shifts without a battery swap. Now let's talk about ruggedness. The CK65 is the most rugged in its class, sustaining an 8-foot drop across the operating temperature range. Migrating to Android? The CK65 is built for it. Mobility Edge is the only platform that guarantees compatibility through Android R. The CK65 is ideal for applications across the logistics and manufacturing spectrum, from shipping and receiving in the warehouse to the general handling of materials and manufacturing, to on-site container tracking and picking. The CK65's rugged design, large screen, and responsive keypad enable faster and more accurate data entry. The CK65. Less cost, less risk, increased productivity, optimized profits.